Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and I think I've got like a joke here for you in this box.
He started laughing before he...
I was just like reading some of the stuff on here, and it just makes me laugh. Let's just take a closer look at it. Well, they call it the Thunder, the 606-7. What? That's a quadcopter, but is that a word? This is all English.
It's by HJ Toys, Nathan.
Okay. Okay. All right. That's the first thing. Then we have the Wi-Fi FPV and giant gold sticker 480p.
That's what it's like bragging about.
I'm bad and I know I'm bad. That's like how we make our videos. If you're serious, don't come over here. You know. Okay. And then on the back, this is where it gets really good. I just think it's funny, they do all these little features, you know, it's like, I can do all these things. And then the very first thing that's down here is an HD camera. That just made me laugh because it says 480p on the front, which is the total opposite of HD. But it says it has an HD camera, and then it has things like auto return to home. That's implying that this has a GPS, and it kind of makes me a little angry, but anyway.
Let's get it out of the box.
Let's get it out of the box. Well, here's the drone. I do like how it looks. It's different, and I applaud different. But sometimes these different things are the worst flying ones because they focus so much on how it looks and not really the performance. But, you know, it doesn't seem too bad. I like these big fans that they've put under the props and over the brushed motors. They're just brushed and geared, but it's just kind of funny. It just, I don't know, it looks cool. It looks like a spaceship. Power button up there. We have a camera mounted on the bottom with adjustable pitch, and yeah, the drone. That looks okay. Our transmitter in here. I do like these transmitters when they have these switches on here. This says headless on and off, auto return on and off. You're not going to use these very much. I wish they were like high and low rates because the switches feel so much better than hitting these buttons. We've seen this one other time. A cheap transmitter, but it had the really nice switches put on there. I really like that. So everything's labeled, and I am a big fan of that, so I'm not going to put that down at all. Here's our flight battery. Looks like a 1000 milliamp single cell LiPo with a JST plug, so it's a good non-proprietary.
1000.
It says 1000.
Are you sure? There's no
1000.
What?
3 zeros.
Do you believe that?
I do.
Okay.
It's kind of,
seems
yeah,
kind of small.
no, it's good. It's good. I think it is. 2 spare props and 2 spare prop cones there, or whatever you call that. Kind of nice. Okay, so this is all your screws in here, and they labeled them. Screw for blade, screw for protection cover. So everything is labeled. I like that. If you're going to have different size screws, label them. That's nice. Good job, guys. Phillips screwdriver. Our 4 prop guards we're going to opt out of, kind of like training wheels, but you got the screws in there to hold them on. And then here's our charger, just a USB to JST plug. I like that. We have instructions. Pretty simple setup, decent looking drone. So let's put this in the air and see how it flies. Okay, I had to take a picture of this because right in the middle of the screen it says emergency. I'm guessing that's stop the motors. But yeah, let's just power this on. I needed to point out there is a phone holder included.
We forgot to show it. It's not a chip clip. It kind of holds my phone.
It works.
Not great though.
It's good, not great. So start the motors down and out on both sticks and just give it a little throttle.
And did you hit record?
I'm going to. Okay, record video. There we go. We have an indicator on screen that we are recording.
It's saving to my phone.
That camera quality is not great.
480p, baby.
480p. And we want you to know it. Now the crazy thing is, I'm totally hands-free right now. The drone's flying really well. Altitude hold is awesome. And it's
like, why even bother with the 480p camera?
Yeah, I don't know. It's like a gimmick. Like, I think everybody that has never had a drone before really wants a camera drone.
I got something like biting my leg. I'm like, I got bugs attacking me right now.
Well, stand up here on the concrete there, darling. Okay, let's fly it around and just see how it does flying. Sorry, I know it's a little close. It looks cool in the air. Orientation's not an issue because it's like a spaceship design. The pointed nose is the front. I like flying at line of sight. Cannot fly this with FPV. I'm gonna have to shrink that down into a corner so I don't make everybody sick just by watching this. It's pretty awful. The video is just a joke. Yeah, there's something going after me too, Abby.
Not crazy.
Some little bug. There's like, might be a mosquito. Okay,
Seems
drone.
like it's flying well.
It does fly really well, yeah. And as I said, the orientation is great.
They should just knock a few bucks off and not have a camera.
I totally agree. But a lot of people, as I said, newer people into the hobby, they think they want a camera drone. I gotta have a camera drone. Sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes you want a simple drone to learn to fly on before you bust your camera in a crash.
Yeah. So this is altitude hold, right?
Yep. Totally, it's doing its thing.
So that means it maintains its height by itself. You don't have to like toy with it a lot, which makes it a lot easier to fly and more beginner friendly.
Let's up the speeds. 2 beeps. Oh yeah,
Rate
look at
2.
that. So much faster, a lot further on the pitch there. Almost so much though that it can't keep up with its own height, but it is. Soon okay. All right, let's see if that goes any higher. It's probably just 2 rates, but we'll see. Yep, just 1 and 2, high and low. Big difference though, very noticeable. If you're trying to fly smooth and slow, put it on the low rate for good footage. Or if you're a beginner maybe. But if you're flying in any wind, you want it to be on the high rate. Now just because these switches are awesome, I'm gonna throw it in headless mode. We're in headless mode, so I'm gonna rotate it and push away.
No beeping. Usually when you put it in headless mode, it beeps.
Okay, headless mode works. See how it's completely rotating and I'm still flying it in one direction? If I wasn't doing that in headless mode, that would probably look something like this. Let's see. It's so hard to fly. Like, I can't do it.
Yeah.
It's hard.
You're like everywhere on your
Yeah. So headless mode works. And let's see return to hold. I'll just fly it out. Yeah.
This little buggy won't leave me alone.
Yeah. Oh, losing the signal there. Don't want to get too far away.
Gonna have a second flyaway.
And auto return on. Okay, that's not where we're at, drone. We're not over there, so.
Because there's no GPS.
No. So there is, when I'm flying further than like 60, 70 feet away, your phone's almost falling off here. It gets some interference. The 2.4 gigahertz that it flies on interferes with the Wi-Fi, or I should say the Wi-Fi video interferes with the controller signal. This is kind of older, now already, older technology.
If there was a camera on us right now.
We're like dancing. I would put this camera on, but both of us are like, no, this camera's not even working. See, we're like, but it can't do it. It can't do it. It just can't do it.
Oh, jeez.
Not a great drone, guys. It's just missing a lot of points here. I don't know. The transmitter doesn't feel very good. I like the switches, but that's about it. The video signal is just complete junk. I don't want you guys wasting your money in this hobby. There's a lot of good things out there, but unfortunately, there's not a lot of good people out there trying to tell you what's good and what's not good. Everybody out there just, oh, buy this because I got it given to me for free, or I got an affiliate link or something. If this isn't good, we're gonna tell you
But it's not
that good. Don't buy it, guys.
It's a secret.
Go watch other videos on our channel. There's a lot of good stuff out there. But I want to fly it just because I like being outside flying.
Yeah. Even
wanna
though
fly
we
it?
say like it's not worth the money, that doesn't mean it's not fun, because
It's fun to fly.
we could have fun with a rock and a stick. So
Yeah. Abby, do you want to fly it before
Sure.
it dies? Passing the controls. I think it's still filming, but you might want to check it. It's drifting off, pull right. And just see if there's still a little counter on the screen by your video, because I haven't
there
checked
is.
it. Okay, good.
I guess I could take a picture.
Yeah. I guess you could try.
I could try. Okay,
If ever,
stop filming.
is everyone ready to see? Ow, sweat bee is biting me. Ow.
This is terrible. It's like it's only going after the camera person.
If you guys are ready to see light green and dark green blurred together, here's a
Photo.
artsy photo for you.
I think it took it.
It's a beautiful day to
I
fly.
don't know what it got.
Oh, that sweat
but
bee
I
got
tried
me.
to aim it with us, but it kept flying away because of the wind. There's like 12 bugs over here.
I
going.
know, why?
I
Just,
don't know what's going on.
ooh. They're like, I don't like that drone, land it now.
Is this the highest rate?
Yeah, it is.
So it has light buttons.
Yeah, but
What's
yeah.
right yaw and left yaw just trim?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's all it has. Headless mode, return to home, lights, and rates. There is no flip function on this drone. That's okay.
You sure?
I'm positive. I read the broken instructions.
Nothing clicks.
No.
Why would there be flips?
Why wouldn't there be flips?
Yeah.
Because you don't always have to have flips.
That's like a fur.
Yeah, sometimes camera drones don't flip.
I'm sitting down.
Okay.
It's hot.
It's very hot. So hot. It's actually fun to fly though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, it's just fun to fly line of sight. Take the camera off, take $15 off,
I'm actually
boom.
sitting.
We could
Oh,
recommend
wait, I
it.
forgot to hit film. No, filming.
It doesn't matter. People don't like that camera. It's not good. Yeah, if they sold this for $25 just as the drone, I'd say buy it. Flies great. Drone with the transmitter, 25 bucks. Oh yeah, but it's not. I'll have a link in the description box below. You can click that link and see that it is not $25. I think it's like 40, 45 or something, but I'm not positive.
Anytime the breeze kicks in, it feels so much better, but we're out here today because the wind isn't bad at all, but it's killing us.
Yeah, no wind.
But I'm not complaining.
Good for a drone.
Not complaining. I'd have this weather any day over cold.
Hopefully you can hear her okay. She's like
I'm
sitting.
yelling!
She's sitting down, which is cool.
I can do what I want. You told me I can do what I want.
Yeah, you're pregnant. You can do pretty much whatever you want.
I'm at full right, and it's
Oh no. Are you in the high rates? Oh no. Where are you going?
with the wind.
Oh, no.
I'm in the bushes. I'm in whatever rate you handed it to me.
Try to. Okay, go back to high. Yeah, okay. Get it back.
No, no, no.
Wind. It's on the. Okay. Okay. Throttle down. Throttle down. Throttle down. Throttle down. And that's what happens when you sit and fly. Here. I think we're going to blame that on low battery
I think so.
/ very hot out. This
It's
is
not my fault. There was no lift and no forward at all. Not my
yeah,
fault.
probably low battery. That's okay. Wouldn't have broke my heart if you crashed it or lost it on
I
the roof.
saved it though, so
Yeah, good save.
I should get some credit.
You can have the drone.
Thanks.
It's
The
an
drone that
okay
we
drone.
said don't really buy.
I know. I told him in the video while you were flying it, pretty much the sum of it. The camera's not great. If it came without the camera and you could save $15, it'd be worth it. Otherwise, it's a pass. Watch some other videos on our channel. If you like saving money, you like the honesty, give us a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. To those of you that are subscribed, thank you. You are why we can continue doing this. But an even bigger thanks to all of our patrons, because even though this wasn't worth the asking price, we now saved a ton of people a ton of money because of the support on Patreon. If you want to support us, just $1 a month. That goes a long way for us. $5 a month and you get entered into a monthly drawing, as well as free RC Sailors stickers for your RC stuff or on your real car, whatever you want to do, toolbox, or nice stickers. We'll have that linked in the description box below, right by this. You probably won't click this, so maybe click that Patreon link. Yeah, support us a little bit. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!